Respect. Breakfast. My mom told me to ask good manners. Good manners show respect, she said. I threw about good manners when I went to school. In the morning, they need to borrow a pencil. He doesn't just take one. Please, he said please. At lunch, I gave a cookie to Kate. She doesn't just eat it. She said, thank you. And Reese Banner ran into me. She doesn't just keep playing. She said, I'm sorry. In Carnum class, Carnum needed to get to the kitchen. She did just push me out of the way. She said, excuse me. The bus Danny needs a place to sit. She said, thank you. I didn't just look away. I said, you're welcome. It feels good when people use good manners. It feels good when people show respect. What other ways can you show respect?